Hello kids, welcome back. Colors name: red color, orange color, black color, light green color, pink color, brown color, purple color, sky blue color, violet color, green color, yellow color, and blue color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A. A is for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. We will trace letter A to H. Let's trace A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. Light green color. Kids, now we write letter A. B, letter C. D, E, F, G, H. Red color. A for ant. B for bee. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fox. G for goat. H for horse. Read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.